Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, error, an unexpected network error has occurred. So you can see it when you try to log in into your Instagram account and you can see this message. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to check is to close your app and just try to reopen your app, and sometimes it also helps. But another way you can also try is just to remove your app and just download again from App Store. So just try to move your app from left to right, and you will see here delete button. So just click on delete button and delete your app and just download it again from App Store. So just go to App Store, and in App Store you just go to search tab. In search you just write here Instagram, and you will see here get button not open because you will delete this app. Just click on get and it will successfully download and install Instagram app again on your phone. So another way you can also try is to check if you successfully choose your date and time on your phone. So just go to general and just go to date and time and just fix if you successfully if your time is correct. So just check it. And also if it doesn't help you, you can just go to general in the settings and just try to reset and just try to reset network settings. So if it doesn't help you too, another way you can also try is to check if you're successfully connected to Wi-Fi. So if you have good internet connection, so just check if your Wi-Fi has internet connection, or if you're using mobile data, if your mobile data is turned on and successfully works. So just check this function, and I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.